There's a cosmetic kit for everyone: kids, teens, adults, and working professionals. And believe it or not, lots of them manufactured at cosmetic factories in China. This manufacturer produces makeup and body care products for all ages and can help you to create your own cosmetic brand. Let's check them out and explore some of their eye-catching features. Hi everyone, this is Tatiana from VTrust and welcome to Factory Asia. We assess and showcase the best small and medium factories in Asia. And today I'm visiting Garth Cosmetics and professional ODM manufacturer of cosmetic products in Shenzhen. Nowadays, the portfolio of Garth Cosmetics has over 8,000 formulas, offering a wide range of conventional and organic facial products, body and skincare products, aromatherapy products, professional makeup, children and teen makeup, children toy makeup kits, and kids' chemistry sets. Let's take a look around the factory and hopefully paint a clearer picture of how things operate here. First, their product idea starts at the R&D department, where Garth engineers design and develop tooling and formulations using conventional and organic ingredients such as extract of olive, sunflower, jojoba, agran, macadamia, and others to follow strict regulation requirements of customers from all over the world. I've got an opportunity to talk to Garth's R&D engineer, Mr. Wu. So can you tell us, how do you develop and test products for production?
When we receive a project, we need to understand the customer's needs no matter the function, texture, pricing, or regulation concerns. Based on these elements, we will search our database to work out the best ingredient list for the formula and create a trial sample for the customer's review. Then we will work together towards a final approved sample. Once the sample is approved, we will start a 3-month stability test for the formula to confirm the QA testing specifications for the production run before releasing it to mass production. Then conduct FEP and PP procedures that require over 20 different mechanical and chemical tests prior to the start of the mass production.
Cosmetic manufacturing requires clean environment, and we can see that Garth Cosmetics is well equipped for that. Their production plants are certified with ISO 22176, good manufacturing practice for cosmetics, and equipped with 100,000 class clean room that runs air through HEPA filters 20 times per hour and is sterilized every night. To guarantee that produced cosmetics and factory's production is clean and has a proper work environment, they have set up a pharmaceutical USP-grade water treatment system and have passed various industry audits such as BSCI, SEDEX Meta, STPAD, the Ethical Toy Program, and others. Let's go inside their workshops and find out how their cosmetics are made. First, the factory will purchase raw ingredients according to PO and product formula and will conduct an incoming quality control. The packaging materials will also go through an ozone sterilization process before being used in production. Then ingredients such as oils, purified water, essence, active substances, and other ingredients will be mixed in the food-grade stainless steel storage tanks according to the formula, with its own temperature and humidity control. The factory will conduct physical and chemical testing at this stage to verify whether the mixed base follows the formula. Next, after 5 days of testing, the passed substance will be moved to the filling workshop and filled automatically and semi-automatically into jars, tubes, compacts, and cases based on the produced product. During the production process, factory's IPQC will be conducted by AQL ratio to confirm the physical and microbiological properties of the products, with total plate count as main testing. Once cosmetic packaging is filled, workers would add labels, inner packaging, accessories, and manuals. Then the quality of finished goods will be checked during the OQC, and only passed products will enter the air-conditioned warehouse for correct cosmetic storage prior shipment. Apart from inline quality control, Garth Cosmetics has 2 laboratories, one for mechanical, one for chemical testing. And I have a great opportunity to meet General Manager Queenie Lowe. So Queenie, tell us, how do you ensure the safety of the products? In the chemical lab, we are confirming the QC spec for the formula by testing in a different environment. For example, stability testing, aging tests in 50 to 57 degree temperature, precondition testing in temperatures of 0 to minus 20 degrees, UV light testing, testing for physical and chemical properties, heavy elements and flammability, as well as microbiological testing. In the mechanical lab, we are running different testing to confirm the compatibility of the formula against packaging, product reliability, and safety scope. For example, transit testing, pressure testing, vibration testing, humidity, salt water, and others. All of the above tests are ways for us to locate different problematic issues and correct them before production.
Welcome to Garth Cosmetics.
We're going to get to know Garth Cosmetics a little bit more through the talk with their CEO, Raymond Chen. Raymond, thanks so much for having us here.
Thank you for coming.
So can you tell us about your history? How long you've been in manufacturing?
The company started from 1957 since my father. At that time in Hong Kong is doing the young kids items such as like candies, containers, things like that. About 1988, we moved to China, and then we can make a GMP standard all kind of cosmetic. The first customer for that is Disney. And later on, we have Mattel and MGA and about 2000 year, and we have a chance to get into teenage items. And that time, the customer is Boots, the biggest UK drugstore. And we make all kind of teenage cosmetic and skincare for them.
That's amazing. So you have long history and experience in cosmetics for different age groups. So what are other advantages of your factory in comparison with competitors?
As you know, we are doing that long for all export customer. So you know really well in the national law, and we comply with all the regulation. And secondly, we have our own water system, and our cleanliness is the top level of even food graded factory. And lastly, I think our biggest opportunities now is the China market. Most of our customers want to get into China. They don't know how to do the compliance with all the regulation and how to declare the custom. And we have a factory here, so we can serve you to make your items and sell the item here.
That's great. So I wish you, Raymond, success, and I hope that your company will be developing in the future more and more.
Thank you.
Now we've come to an end of our tour of Garth Cosmetics. We've seen several advantages of the factory. Their facility follows ISO 22176 with a class 100,000 clean room and pharmaceutical USP grade water treatment system. As well, they have a mature quality control system for monitoring pre-production, in-line, and final products quality with physical testing, chemical, and microbiological testing at each step of production. Moreover, Garth Cosmetics has a long 50-year history in the ODM cosmetic manufacturing, with a portfolio of more than 8,000 formulations developed for customers all over the world. To conclude our review, we are awarding Garth Cosmetic 4 stars out of 5 for their strong performance. Feel free to reach the factory's English-speaking staff via these contact details if you are interested to learn more about cooperation. Thanks so much for joining me today on our factory tour. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, as we are going to make more factory videos and strive to make supply chain clearer for buyers and importers from Asia. See you next time!